Artificial intelligence won't replace researchers, but those researchers that understand how to use AI and use it safely will transform how science is done. The reality is that most researchers are using AI. There is enormous untapped potential in AI to improve research projects, to improve scientific publications, to make researchers' lives easier.
We are only a few years out of the gate with AI. Now it's moving extremely fast for anyone involved, and they need guidance on what are the expectations, what are the requirements they need to meet.
This is a resource that can help researchers to make sure that they're protecting their own credibility, protecting their reputation when they explore with AI. The AI Playbook has sections on AI foundations, how the tools work. It has a section on advanced prompting and how to explore safe versus unsafe prompts for AI. And we have copy and paste prompts for researchers to use across different phases of the research cycle, including research design, methodology planning, and preparing your manuscript for publication.
When authors decide to use AI, they are responsible for what's produced. The outcome, the results, the publication will be in their name.
The point of the Be Wise framework is to be able to clearly and memorably communicate to researchers the different steps to ensure ethical oversight when using AI, because ultimately we need the scientific record to be trusted, and we need to be able to trust the content that researchers and readers and the public are consuming.